Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to start with sensing, introduction to sensing. Now first let's understand what is sensing. Imagine your computer friend has magical senses like eyes, ears and nose. In Scratch, sensing is like giving your computer friends superpowers to see and hear things happening in your project. So like your sprite will be able to sense something. This means that your sprite will be able to sense something. With sensing, you can make your computer friend react when something special happen. It's like if your friend could hear a secret code or see a special color react and then do a happy dance. So it's like you can tell your friend, if you see a star, jump high. If you hear a sound, spin around. So you're telling it if the sprite is sensing something, what it should do. So sensing in Scratch is like giving your computer friend amazing senses so they can notice things and do cool actions based on what they sense. So it's going to be like playing a game with your friend and giving them clues to win. What are the different sensing blocks? First is touching color. In touching color, that your sprite is able to identify certain color. You instruct your sprite that if you touch red color, do this particular thing. So if it is sensing the red color, it is going to make happen something. Then we have touching sprite. So if it is touching, you can say if you touch apple, then jump. So it means it's sensing touch of apple. Then color is touching color. So there are two colors. You have two circles. One is black, one is red. So you can specify if black circle is touching the red circle, what should happen. Then we have ask, question and wait. This block looks like a talking bubble. It helps your character ask a question and wait for answers. So this is going to be used to ask a question to your friend. Answer. This blocks shows an answer in a thought bubble. So whatever you answer will be visible here. This key press we have already done in previous classes. You were controlling your sprite with arrow keys using this block. Mouse down when you have to control something, when you have to click on the mouse. See, this block shows a mouse pointer clicking. It helps your character sense if the mouse button is pressed. So if you click, it is going to sense is someone clicking the mouse. Mouse X. This block has a picture of a mouse pointer with a number mouse X, mouse Y we have done earlier. It means what? That you're going to control your sprite with the mouse. So X position as mouse X, Y as a mouse Y. This one to complete horizontal position. This one to control the vertical position. Then we have loudness. This block has a speaker icon and a number. It helps your character sense how loud a sound is. So it's like telling your friend how loud is that noise. Let's try it on Scratch. Okay, let's paint a backdrop for this. Any idea? Have you already started painting a backdrop? Or everyone is waiting for my idea, what I have planned for the backdrop? Okay, let me show you what I have planned for a backdrop. I'll just go here. I can create, simple steps around. Okay, just let me paint. This is the floor I am painting. I'll keep this here. Okay. I'm creating steps which you have to walk over. I think I can control them more. No, this was better. Okay, this is better. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back to the code. I'll reduce the sprite size because it's really big. Now let's say we do stars. Sorry, I'll click this, or let me see if any food we can collect. Okay, orange, orange, and then orange, and then I can take a apple. Yeah. Okay. So how do we control this sprite? Should we control with arrow keys or just mouse pointer is fine? I'll consider, let's come on this. When the green flag is clicked, I'm setting the position, and I think let's control it with mouse X, mouse Y. So how we do that? We do set X to set Y to. In sensing, we will learn this mouse X, mouse Y. I'm doing purposely with this so that we understand how it works. Now in orange, we do when the green flag is clicked. Forever, we have already done this, but still to get you idea what different things is possible, you can take touching, orange, sprite 1, and we will hide it. So if we use hide, we should use show also. And I can even add a good sound. We have a chomp sound also, like it's like eating something. Okay, chomp. Can you please try hearing this? Okay. Now let's add this. So it looks like it's eating. I can put same code in all of them. And we will not make it visible again. Okay. Let me try. Let's add sound in all. I have not added sound in all. Okay, yeah, we have. Sorry. Perfect. Now if we want, we can make it wait 1 second and then show. I'll just do for the apple actually to make it a bit different than others. I should be in the looks and I'll take show. It will come again. So that's how this game works. I hope it is clear how sensing is used. You can save it as cat game. You can try to add good sprite, good backdrops, and experiment with more steps, more sprites to be eaten, more fruits. Now I'll teach you how to create a quiz which we learned ask and answer block in sensing. Okay? Now we can say first when the green flag is clicked, I can keep this as the position. This is fine. And we go here in sensing and we can ask, we can create a maths quiz actually. Let's write. Welcome to math quiz. This way you can create any kind of quiz in Scratch. Now first question is what is? Now go to control and take if. In operators, you go to operators, you take equal to. Now you are going to check if the answer is equal to 10 or not. So we have a block called answer which you put here and you write 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10 and you display the answer correct. Let's see. I'll add 14. It's not doing anything. I'll add 10 now and show you what happens. It's saying correct. So we have done this method. There is one more method which I would like to show you using if else, where what you can do is you can give this, you can even give a command block what happens when the answer is incorrect. I'll change the background to something nice. I think I should give this position, what's the number, 9, 31. And when it's saying the answer is correct, we can do one thing, we can even change color effect. So I've added change color effect. Now we can add another question later on. We go to sensing and we take a ask command and say what is minus 10. Then you can just duplicate the same thing. The answer is going to change, right? 5. I'll add 4 questions at least. Okay, what question we can add now? Let me just do. We have done 1 addition, 1 subtraction. I'll take 5 multiplied by 10, which is 50. We are just changing the question and the answer. The other commands are same. Let's run and see. I'll give 4 answer. Incorrect. It will move to next question. $50. You can even add different sounds. Let's say we can try to hear if there is any sound for win. I'll take win. So we can add when you are giving the correct answer. I'll give the correct answer now. This is nice. We should add the winning sound actually. It makes it really fun. All the projects in Scratch become fun when you add the sound. So this way you can experiment with different quiz, create a lot of questions in the maths quiz, and you can also create space quiz, school quiz on any topic. You can create particular thing and give it to your friends to play so that they can see how well you're doing with the Scratch. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.